Hello there, welcome to the Microsoft Office Specialist Excel Associate 2019 course. Today we are continuing on with Sample Exam 2 and we are on in Project 5. So as always you will get your files from the Office Master 19 YouTube channel. So I have the file clothes.xlsx open. So I'm in the file there now. So question 1 is to create a radar chart using the cell range A1 to B8 and then move the chart to a new sheet named stock. So I need to highlight A1 to B8, so I'm going to do that there now. Then I need to click on insert. I need to go to charts. Now this is a radar chart, so this is one of the new charts on the Office 19 suite. So I click into radar. Now I click on to move chart and I put the dot in new sheet and I type in stock. So just bear with me while I do that. So I've just typed in stock there and clicked OK. Now I click back into the sheet. And now we go on to question 2. So question 2 is to insert a stacked line chart underneath the table using cell range A1 to B8 and then afterwards add the pennies data series. So we'll take one thing at a time. So we insert the chart. So go to insert. We'll go to our line chart. We go to stacked line, which is this one. Click on that one. I'm going to drag it in under the table. Hold down my left mouse button and drag down. And then to add the pennies data series, I just click here in the cross. See it's blue and I drag it over and now that's now included into the chart. Okay, you can now see this line here is in the chart. Okay. Question 3 is to switch the column row data and then switch it back. So I just click on switch row column data here. And then I'm just going to click on it to switch it back. Okay. Question 4 is to apply chart style 8 to the chart. So I click on chart style 8. And then the final question then is to add alternative text to the chart that displays the following, which is fashion. So it displays the text fashion. So I go to format. I go to make sure I'm clicked into the chart. So, and then I click into alt text and I type in fashion. So just bear with me when I do that. So yeah, in here I type in fashion. Okay, and then I just X out of that. So that's brilliant. That's now Sample Exam 2, Project 5 completed. And we will see you shortly on Sample Exam 2, Project 6. Thanks for watching and take care.